10 interesting psychology facts about attraction.
One saying that we hear constantly is beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. But when we think about that concept and what it really means, can we bring ourselves to completely believe that it's true? What exactly influences our decisions when it comes to choosing a partner? The intriguing world of attraction is one we all wish was easy to understand. Fortunately, as science has evolved, it has provided us with some answers to these questions. Not only can understanding attraction help us progress in our relationships, but it also helps us understand ourselves as individuals and how we feel and process our thoughts. Attraction plays a very significant role in life in order to keep propagating our species, and this list highlights some of the most interesting facts about attraction and its mysterious secrets. Number 1. Different scents ignite different levels of attraction. Scientists have uncovered that smell plays a very significant role in understanding attraction. But one thing we sometimes find ourselves questioning is how it influences our decisions in choosing a partner and what smells are considered attractive. Studies have shown that women are commonly attracted to a natural chemical called androstenol. This chemical is found in fresh male sweat and releases a scent that draws women towards the male. Androstenol acts as a pheromone, which is a natural turn-on. Androstenone, on the other hand, is produced when too much sweat has been exerted from the body. This chemical produces a smell that acts as a natural turn-off for women. When it comes to men, they are typically attracted to scents of perfumes or other fragrances that women commonly use. And interestingly, they are turned off by the seemingly indistinct smell of tears. Number 2. Women with older fathers are often attracted to older men. Women who are attracted to older men often get a lot of criticism on their preferences. They are commonly told that their attraction to older men is likely due to daddy issues. Although that may be what most of us think, it's not entirely true. In recent studies, scientists have uncovered that women with older fathers are more likely to be mentally and physically attracted to men who are older. Specifically speaking, they are more attracted to men with less hair and more wrinkles. As you might have already assumed from what you just heard, women who were born to younger fathers are more likely to be attracted to younger-looking men. Number 3. Opposites really do attract. Just about everybody has heard the common saying that opposites attract. Well, studies have found that it turns out to be true. Our bodies contain an antigen that's basically a biological genetic blueprint. This antigen is called the human leukocyte antigen, otherwise known as the HLA complex, and it is extremely vital when it comes to our immune function. Studies have shown that both men and women are typically attracted to other individuals who have different HLA complexes than their own. This suggests that our subconscious attraction toward others with different HLA complexes has just about everything to do with the survival of our species. And as it turns out, studies have also shown that these different genetic blueprints are picked up by our brains and are easily detected through an individual's scent. Number 4. The advantages of being average. Evolutionary biologists have uncovered that being average-looking can actually be quite beneficial. And by average, they refer to the degree of one's facial features which are resembled in the surrounding population. Studies have uncovered that an individual with more average facial features is found more attractive or desirable to someone who is considering them as a possible mate. Some of the common reasons for this is the fact that average facial features are often associated with a higher level of genetic diversity. This basically means that the more average you look, the less average you are on the inside. This could also pertain to the adaptation of evolution through the ages, to ensure the genetic robustness of offspring. Number 5. To smile or not to smile. When we allow ourselves to give off a broader smile, it helps others perceive us as more attractive, confident, and sociable. This is even more true when somebody's smile is accompanied with an attractive set of teeth. Studies have shown that women are perceived by men as more attractive when they make it a point to smile often. But on the contrary, men who smile less are perceived by women as more attractive than men who smile a lot. Number 6. Facial symmetry may play a role. Finding someone particularly attractive but not knowing why is common. As it turns out, this may be due to the symmetry of their facial features. Studies have shown that both men and women find symmetry in facial features more attractive than non-symmetrical features. As we have grown as a species, symmetry has become seemingly more important in our everyday lives. And as social media is also evolving, we see more and more people aiming to make their facial features as symmetrical as possible with the use of makeup or photo-enhancing apps. Number 7. Blushing is a good thing. Blushing occurs when the blood vessels in your cheeks dilate. This causes a rush of blood to go through your face, leading to the increase in color of your cheeks, fuller lips, and seemingly sparkling eyes. If you're on a date or hanging out with somebody you find attractive, pay attention to their face. If they blush a lot throughout your time together, chances are you're winning them over. Blushing is one of the most identifiable signs of love interest or arousal. Number 8. Men and women have ideal body type preferences. Research has proven that men and women have particular body types that they prefer or find more attractive in the opposite gender when looking for a partner. Women typically prefer a man with a wide chest, narrow waist, and broad shoulders. Most men typically prefer a woman with an hourglass figure, large breasts, narrow waist, wider hips, and a bigger bottom. Women with an hourglass figure are perceived to have an increased ability to reproduce efficiently. This is what subconsciously draws men to them. Number 9. Hormones play a role. Studies have shown that during ovulation, women are typically more attracted to masculine-looking men. But other times of their cycle, they seem to find less masculine-looking men more attractive. This is mainly due to the subconscious association of masculine men with higher testosterone levels. And the higher a man's testosterone levels, the more fertile he is likely to be, making him more efficient for reproduction. This is another way nature has helped to ensure the survival of our species. Number 10. Hormonal birth control alters attraction. Contraceptives come in many different forms, and while hormonal birth control methods are very useful for preventing unplanned pregnancies, they may also alter a woman's scent preferences. Since birth control pills and injections literally change a woman's hormones, they can also change who the woman perceives as attractive. Naturally, women tend to gravitate toward men who put off a scent that subconsciously implies that they have dissimilar genes. This is an important role in the prevention of inbreeding in nature. But when a woman is on birth control, studies have shown that she becomes more interested in men with similar genes to her own. With that said, if a woman in a relationship stops taking birth control, there's a chance of her becoming repelled by her partner's scent, which in turn can cause complications in relationships.